My today's topic is 3D scanning for custom orthotics, a must-have for new podiatric clinic. So before beginning my talk, I thank you, the organizer, for inviting me to the land of Vindhya. रीवा में मुझे बुलाने के लिए आपका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद। मैं जब रीवा में हूँ तो मुझे मेरे रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर आदरणीय एमपी सिंह सर की याद आती है। आदरणीय एमपी सिंह सर एनाटॉमी के प्रोफेसर थे। मेरे पिताजी जब पहली बार उनसे मिले तो उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि बेटा तुम्हें इनके जैसा डॉक्टर बनना है। और आज जब मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ तो मैं ना केवल एमपी सिंह सर को याद करता हूँ बल्कि रीवा को मैं कहूँगा इट इज द लैंड ऑफ ग्रेट टीचर्स। सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रिस्पेक्टेड Dr. MP Singh sir, to whom I know, who was the professor and head of anatomy, I know him very personally. Respected Dr. M.K. Jain sir, respected Dr. Manoj Indulkar sir, Dr. S.N. Dove sir, and all the respected doctors, Dr. Anurag Chaurasia, Dr. M.R. Patel, Dr. Pradeep Nigam, all of them I regard as the great teachers of Vindh. So I am feeling privileged to be here in the land of the great teachers who has enlightened lot of students who are suffering across the nation in the field of medicine and surgery. So with the permission of chair, I would like to take this talk from down. So my today's topic is 3D scanning for custom orthotics. So my lot of talk has been covered by respected Dr. Rachna ma'am. She has made the anatomy very clear to us and she has very nicely elaborated that how a small structure फुट, जिसमें मुझे पहले बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, लेकिन जब मैं सूरी सर से मिला तब मुझे समझ में आया कि जब तक आपके पैर सलामत नहीं हैं तब तक तो जिंदगी नर्क है। तभी से मैं उनके मिशन के साथ जुड़ गया। We have to save the feet. So today's topic is on the custom orthotics. So we know that the foot pain affect around 70 to 42% of adult. It can impair movement, बैलेंस एंड मोस्ट ऑफन क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ। बिकॉज आप जैसे ही सुबह उठ के पैर जमीन पे रखोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि जिंदगी में बहुत कष्ट है। तो फुट को बचाना बहुत जरूरी है। फुट पेन alters the foot alignment and joint kinetics. This can lead to lower limb dysfunction and pain. Researchers aim to identify biomechanical indicators to prevent foot pain. So we are aware of them. Now the role of orthotics, more dealt in the physiotherapy units and the surgical side, orthopedic side, is being it's an important pillar of podiatry. When it comes to podiatry, since we deal with a teamwork, it's an important pillar in the field of podiatry. It provides external support, improve pain and function. Foot orthosis generally aim to prevent deformity. It aim to prevent deformity and along with accommodating and supporting the foot so as to save the feet. So usually prescribed by podiatrists or orthotics, it can either be prefabricated, पहले से बना हुआ हो, सीधा दुकान में मिल जाए, or it can be custom fabricated, it can be personalized and produced with conventional manufacturing method like casting. पहले के ज़माने में जब ये चीज़ें टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं अवेलेबल थी तो कास्टिंग से इसको प्रोड्यूस किया जाता था। and now with advanced manufacturing method, इसके बारे में हम लोग आज थोड़ी बहुत बात करने वाले। These are the type of orthotics. Since majority of us belong from medicine and surgery, we may not be very familiar with the orthotics. So there can be over-the-counter OTC, which we call orthotics, like available for flat feet, plantar fasciitis, shin splint, bunion, metatarsalgia. They can be available to us on over-the-counter. But there can be custom orthotics, which can be partial support orthotics. It can be full support orthotics. I will not go in detail of that, but they may be required for flat feet, plantar fasciitis, metatarsalgia, patellar tendinopathy, and many more indications. So that highlights the importance of orthotics in the practice of. Now what it does. Now these custom orthotics or the orthotics, normally when you have a deformity with the foot, it will lead to unstable foundation, leading to knee discomfort, because once your knees are not taking enough and equal load, probably it will lead to the knee dysfunction and it will lead to low back pain. And आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आपको कमर में जो दर्द है वो पैर के कारण से हो रहा है, and it can also lead to neck pain. So before it is being unsupported by a proper orthotic device which may be offered to you by either personalized way or by a prefabricated. So if you have to get it correctly, then it will lead to pain relief, it will lead to proper alignment, it will lead to balance, it will lead to support. So this also comes in the domain of prevention of the foot problem and the mechanical problem. Now, advanced manufacturing method, which I am going to speak on, use 3D scanning and 3D printing technology for orthotic production. Production workflow may involve scanning the foot, processing the scanned image, and digitally design your orthosis in the 3D through the appropriate software. This requires a high-tech machine. This requires a specialized software which is commercially available, which will help us to design a proper footwear and orthotics. So production through additive manufacturing and filament check may be done by machine later on. So this is how the machine is available to us. They are available from variety of companies. जैसा कि गुलाटी सर ने बताया, the podiatry industry and the economics, लोगों को पता है कि आपको बहुत सारी पॉपुलेशन को पैर में बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम है, तो उसके लिए रिसर्च ऑन है कि ये पोडियाट्री इंडस्ट्री कितनी बड़ी होने वाली है. जैसा सूरी सर ने कहा कि हम लोग देख रहे हैं डायबिटिक फुट की प्रॉब्लम कितनी तेजी से बढ़ रही है. एंड एज द डाटा प्रेडिक्ट, with the current 103 diabetics and 13.4 million pre-diabetics, around 25 crore people with diabetes, and that too 93% of them remaining uncontrolled over the last decades and the decades to come, because we will not be able to provide them enough care, you will see a huge tsunami of diabetic foot and foot related problem. So the point is we need to be aware, and this is the right time for the postgraduate IC sitting here for them to get sensitized regarding the field of podiatry. So this is how the machine does it. There was this video available, but it is not working. So customization, the orthotic design achieved by recording a measurement of the foot and replicating the foot geometry either by casting or by 3D scan machine. So the traditional casting method, which used plaster of Paris, requires expertise to accurately mold a bandage to the foot. ये ऑलमोस्ट वैसे ही है जैसा ऑर्थोपेडिशियन प्लास्टर लगाते हैं. यदि आपने ठीक से प्लास्टर नहीं लगाया तो काम ठीक से होने वाला नहीं. ऐसे ही जब हमको ऑर्थोटिक्स डिजाइन करने होते थे, जो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस यूज करने की, इट रिक्वायर्ड है स्किल. इफ द पर्सन हु इज कंसर्न्ड इज नॉट डेडिकेटेड, देन प्रोबेबली द ऑर्थोटिक which being prepared may not be accurately fitting to your body. So require maintaining correct foot posture and ankle alignment for shaping the medial longitudinal arch and actually standard as rightly told by the respected previous speaker, Dr. Rachna Gupta ma'am. So to reduce variability associated with the traditional casting method, 3D scanning method are being used more frequently. Now, this 3D scanning for custom orthotics will lead to faster and more accurate capturing the complex geometry of foot. Changes can be made in the digital design without needing to recast it. आपके इसमें कुछ थोड़ा बहुत modification करना भी है तो digitally आप उसको आराम से कर सकते हो. So digital scans are easy to share in the clinic and manufacturing laboratories. अब suppose करो मैं भोपाल में एक podiatric clinic चलाता हूँ. I find some difficulty. So now with using the digital technologies, I can definitely send it to respected Masan sir or respected Suri sir to take help of them. So it can be very well shared between the clinics and manufacturing laboratory, leading to a better coordination and eliminating the need for storing cast and positive POP. अब इतने सारे POP के मॉडल आप रखोगे कहाँ? तो digital technology, 3D scanning justify that need. So 3D surface scanner have a greater accuracy. Accuracy is best, robustness and reliability than the traditional method. Can precisely capture detail for foot anthropometric data, perform a 3D scan to capture the foot geometry, which is more efficient and comfortable method for the patient. Patient को भी बार-बार आप plaster of Paris के लिए आप आधे घंटे बिठा के रखोगे, वो परेशान हो जाएगा और irritate हो जाएगा. When performing a scan, the position of the patient foot can depend upon the patient preference and presentation. So now we are in the era of digitalization. हम सब लोग जितनी तेजी से हम लोगों ने ये स्मार्टफोन यूज करना चालू किया है, डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करना चालू किया है, जितने भी हम लोग होर्डिंग देख रहे हैं सब डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजीज बने हुए हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं पोडियाट्री में डिजिटलाइजेशन इज कमिंग इन अ वेरी बिग वे. सो फ्यूल्ड बाय द इंक्रीजिंग अवेलेबिलिटी and improving accuracy of digital scanning equipment, there can be various 3D surface scanner that are currently used in the industry to capture the surface topography of the food. Some 3D scanners are structured light for capturing 3D anthropometric data such as Arctic range of scanner. There are multiple scanners available and the cost also varies. So other scanner use infrared light and depth sensor to capture the surface anatomy. So the problem with the previous traditional method of casting orthotics was plaster casting is messy and time consuming. It is also uncomfortable for the patient. आजकल किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है तो आधे घंटे एक घंटे वो आपके साथ बैठेगा नहीं. There is a high chance of human error in the traditional method. This leads to ill-fitting orthotics with a 20% refit rate. Patient experiences dissatisfaction. This is due to the multiple appointment and adjustment. So to address all these problems, the solution, the precision and the efficiency of the 3D scanning is fast and accurate. 3D scanning is fast and non-invasive. It gives millimeter level precision. It captures food shape in minutes. It eliminates the mess and appointment. Multiple appointment may be avoided and time may be saved. So studies also prove that, a study involving 100 patients with plantar fasciitis proved that there is a 40% pain relief versus traditional method, 92% patient satisfaction with the 3D scan orthotics. Orthotics are ready in days and not weeks. इनको बनाने में आपको हफ्ते नहीं लगते हैं, दिनों में तैयार हो जाता. Perfect fit ensures 95% satisfaction and it expect more referral. अब बात आती है इकोनॉमी की, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप जो मशीन खरीदने वाले हो, it definitely involves some increased cost, so that may be taken care with more referrals and a superior care. So the streamlined workflow will involve a cost saving with a reduced cost, lower level and more efficiency. 3D scanning lowers material and labor cost and the clinic efficiency doubles. Return on investment may be possible in a short span of almost 1.5 to 2 years. So the integrating 3D scan, the workflow may involve scanning, designing, fabrication and delivery. The scanning will involve structure sensor which may be Mark II, attaches to an iPad, ideal for capturing detailed foot scan, Invisalign Cube. It may require scanner in the form of Lutras CAD, and the 3D printer will involve a Formlab Form 3B, and the fabrication will involve patient's assessment, 3D scanning, modeling and designing, which may be done in the later part of the this thing. So the future 3D printing and advanced material, it will have a personalization, superior material integration. 3D printing enables a personalized design. Advanced material offer a better comfort and performance. क्योंकि यदि आप उसे पेशेंट को अच्छा सॉल्यूशन नहीं दोगे, अच्छी फिटिंग नहीं दोगे, तो प्रोबेबली उसका एक्सेप्टेंस कम हो जाएगा और हमारी सारी मेहनत बेकार हो जाएगी. So in the nutshell, the take home is 3D scanning is essential for the new podiatric clinic, aiming for precision, efficiency and the superior patient care. It enhances the orthotic quality, speed up the production and improve the patient comfort. Investing in the 3D technology position clinic at the forefront of the podiatric care. So my point is, हमारे respected सूरी सर ने, जिनको मैं कहता हूँ कि जैसे अपने देश में अभी तक एक ही फील्ड मार्शल हुए ना, कर्नल मानेक शाह, वैसे ही सूरी सर पोडियाट्री के फील्ड मार्शल हैं और हमारे मसन सर जो हैं वो अभी तीनों आर्म फोर्सेस के वो चीफ हैं एज फार एज इट कम्स टू एमपी. सो द पॉइंट इज, जिस मिशन के साथ वो चले हैं, जैसा नाम दिया है IPA, आई प्रिवेंट एम्पुटेशन, तो इस मिशन के साथ हम सब लोगों को जुड़ना है, बिकॉज इट इज अ टीम वर्क. इट इज अ टीम वर्क. अकेले ये काम नहीं हो सकता. और पैर को बचा लिया मतलब आपने जिंदगी को बचा लिया. सो आई थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर पेशेंट लिसनिंग एंड आई थैंक यू रिस्पेक्टेड डॉक्टर सूरी सर, मसन सर, अनुपमा मैम, इंदुलकर सर, MR पटेल सर, अनुराग चौरसिया सर for giving me chance to speak over here. Thank you.